Hey guys, this is just a quick tip to know how we can add timer, noise and glitches in our video clips. And here is a shortcut version I am doing this on. Here you can see I have already added a bunch of small clips to the timeline. And to add a timer, just go to open other and select count. It will open a small pop-up window where you can make changes. Here you can increase or decrease the duration according to your need. And here are the other options you can play around to get a good grip of this effect. Anyhow, to add it, you need to add a video track and drag it there. You surely can add it to the existing video track by making some space, but for the convenience, I'm adding a video track and adding it there. I'm adding it in the beginning, and here you can see this is how the video will start. Anyhow, to add noise, go to open other again and select noise. And just drag it to the video track, and by default it will add approximately 10 minutes of noisy track, and you surely can split it to the timing you need and place according to your requirement. After placing it, I have just copied it and pasted it to add before starting another clip. So, here you can see this is how it will look like. You sure can increase or decrease the timing according to your need, as I have kept it a little long. Let's see the timer and noise in the same track. Well, it seems somewhat good. Anyhow, instead of deleting, I am just sliding them away so that I can add glitch effect. So, to add glitching effect, first select your clip, then go to filters and find a filter named glitch. With these options, we can adjust the glitching effect according to our need. Let's see it with the default setting. Now change a little bit. Now it seems good. Now bring the timer in the beginning. Yep, it seems good. Anyhow, the glitch effect can be used in transitioning too. Just drag the other clip over this one And here you can see it has created a little transitioning effect. Select the transitioning portion and go to the filters and find one named glitch. And see how it looks. Now align all the three and adjust the glitch setting on the transitioning if needed. Now see all the three effects. Now it looks pretty good. And this is how you can use timer, noise, glitches in your video clip or any of them. And I hope this tip will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.